everyone, my name's Dylan.
And my name is Shalyn.
And we have something very fun for you today.
Very fun? Do you mean that we're talking about bears?
We are talking about bears.
Wow.
I actually brought my bear with me today.
Oh, how cute.
You know, just like we're unique, bears are very unique too. They're made up of all kinds of different parts. So if we look at this bear here, we can see that he has a body right here.
Mm-hmm.
And on the body, it's got some arms, it's got some legs, it has a head, it has some ears, some eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Now, you remember I said that bears are unique.
Mm-hmm.
So some bears might be big, some bears might be small, some bears might be brown, some bears might be black or white. There could be all kinds of different colors, but bears are very unique. And so I thought we could do something today in creating some unique bears. What do you think?
Ooh, that sounds like so much fun. How are we going to create unique bears?
What we're going to do is we're going to use some Play-Doh.
I love Play-Doh. Is that what all these supplies are on the table?
That's
to build
right.
a bear?
We're going to use all these supplies on the table to build some bears.
Wow, I'm super excited.
So what I want you to do is pick your favorite color Play-Doh. I'm going to use yellow.
You know what? I think I want to make a blue bear.
Oh, that would be pretty fun. And you're going to get out your Play-Doh, and you might want to get it warmed up before we get started.
That's super important. It makes the Play-Doh work a lot better
Yeah,
when it's warmer.
That's right. So what you can do is you can start by squishing it in your hands, just like this. And then you might even want to roll it into a giant ball. And your hands make the Play-Doh nice and warm so that you can work with it easier. All right, and then after you make a ball just like this, you might want to pat it out. All right, just getting it nice and warm. All right,
Whoa.
I think we're ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're going to make a couple circles. So we're gonna want 2 circles that are about the same size.
Okay.
So you're just gonna pinch a chunk of Play-Doh off just like this. All right, and I'm gonna pinch off 2 chunks. I've got 2 that are probably about the same size here. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And then I'm gonna roll mine into balls, just like this. All right, and I'm just gonna stick them right in front of the plate.
Wow, you're doing a really good job, Dylan.
So are you.
Thank you.
All right.
You're really fast at that.
I am pretty fast. All right, I'll keep warming mine up while I'm waiting for you.
All right.
Yep, just
I'm
squeeze it in my
almost
hands.
done, almost done.
Okay.
All right. There's 2 of this about the same size
Balls of Play-Doh.
balls of Play-Doh.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do next. Next, we're going to create 6 smaller balls of Play-Doh,
Ooh, okay.
And they don't all have to be perfectly the same size, but try your best.
All right.
All right.
There's 1. There's, whoops. Good catch.
Good catch.
2. Look at that. We're doing good.
We are doing good.
There's 3. We're almost to 4.
Yeah, that's right.
There's
It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna make
4.
this one just a little bit smaller there. All right, perfect.
There's doo-doo-doo-doo.
5.
5.
One more.
Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I'm so excited to see how we can turn these balls of Play-Doh into a bear.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
And
6. Okay. So I was thinking, Shalyn, what we could do now that we've got all of our balls of Play-Doh ready to go is we could make a couple different styles of bears. And then our friends out there, they can pick what style they want to create.
That's super exciting.
So I'm going to create a 2-dimensional bear. That means my bear is
Ooh.
going to be flat.
Wow, you know what? I think I'm going to create a 3-dimensional
Ooh.
bear. That means it's going to be
Full of 3D shapes.
Yeah, you'll just, it's like popping in your face.
It's kind of like this. So you've got this bear, he's 3-dimensional.
Yeah.
But if we flattened him out like a pancake, he'd kind of look like a piece of paper.
Yeah.
That's going to be like mine. Mine's going to be 2-dimensional, and Shalyn's is going to be 3-dimensional, kind of like this bear right here.
I'm so excited.
Are you ready to get started?
We should get started.
And I think what we should do is we should do this part in super speed. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Wow, and just like that, we've made our Play-Doh bears.
Look at that. Yours is a 2-dimensional bear.
That's
and
right.
Mine is a 3-dimensional bear.
If you look at mine from the side, you can see that mine is really flat.
That's right.
And if you look at Shalyn's from the side, you can see how it's 3-dimensional. The shapes kind of pop out.
Pop.
Yeah. And you're probably thinking, wait, that's not just Play-Doh.
Nope.
I see other things on that bear.
Yep.
And we did use some other supplies from around the house. And you can actually use some different supplies too. You could use buttons and googly eyes, but it's not even just limited to that. Maybe you don't have those things at home and you could use a different color Play-Doh to create the eyes and the nose and the mouth, and you can be extremely creative in creating your bear.
That's right. Make your bear as unique as you would like.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun and we can barely wait to see what you create. So have a lot of fun creating some bears today out of Play-Doh.